Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIOAMI 40T Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search something but you can download it, go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. And it choose Settings, Family and their Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have page 3 to visible game or applications Mobile Legends game. We need more than page 3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental control, and now we can change it to maybe allow all included, underrated, confirm by unrestored, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.